Right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Yes, please respond in the chat. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Yes. Yeah. Very good evening, guys. Very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our sessions, as always, let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concept which I had covered in our yesterday's. Right. Now, guys, just a second. Right. So just a second. Yesterday, where is the diagram? We have, guys, we have actually started discussing about IO streams 2 days before only. 2 days before, that is not yesterday, that is day before yesterday only we have started that. And I told you there are 4 types of streams are there, like byte streams, character streams, data streams, and object streams. So up to yesterday, we have successfully completed discussing about what are byte streams, character streams, and what are buffer streams also. And guys, I believe yesterday I have given you a small task. Yes, I requested you to write. Where is that? Where is that? Hang on. Yes. I requested you to write a program on buffered byte streams and buffered character streams. Did you do it, guys? Please tell me. Respond in the chat. Respond in the chat. Yes. So you did not face any trouble, right? Actually, same, guys. Exactly same. How we have done our programs by using byte streams and character streams, the same method, same procedures, we need to do that. Yes, you have done that. Okay, guys. Now, today, we are going to start discussing about data streams. Okay, data streams, guys. Data streams. Now, guys, data streams. What is the use of these data streams? What is the use of these data streams? Just a minute. Data streams are used to transfer primitive data types in a secure manner. Data streams are used to transfer primitive data types. You need to remember this. Primitive data types in a secure manner. Right. Now, guys, actually, data streams are also known as FILTR, filter streams. Kindly please do remember this. Data streams are also known as filter streams. So basically, what is the use of these data streams? Data streams are used to transfer primitive data types in a secure manner. Sir, what do you mean by secure manner? How? We did not got a clear idea. Yes, don't worry, guys. I'll explain you. Not at all a trouble. Trust me, not at all a trouble. Now, guys, just like byte streams, for data streams also, there are two, not abstract classes, but interfaces. What are those? Data input and data output. Please check this, guys. Please check this. Data input. Just let me try to write like this. Data input and data output. Guys, these are, by the way, these are not abstract classes. Instead, these are interfaces. Okay, data input and data output. These are interfaces. For these interfaces, we are having two implementation classes. Two implementation classes. Those are, first one is data input stream, data input stream, and second one is data output stream. Data output stream. Data input stream and data output stream. And guys, just like buffered streams, data input stream will be accepting file input stream as a source for its data. File input stream as a source for its data. And data output stream will be accepting file output stream as a source for its data. File output stream as a source for its data. Source. Just let me try to write it like this. Source for its data. Copy it. Just let me paste it like this. Source for its data. Okay. Now, guys, shall we see a program on these data streams? If we see a program, I believe you will be getting much more clarity about these data streams. Shall we? Please tell me. Right. Now, please check this. Data streams, guys. I'm trying to write a program on data streams. Okay. So void file operations one, not one, just one method is enough. File operations. Now, actually, guys, in all my previous example programs, if I'm trying to write a program on byte streams, first, which class I have taken? If I'm trying to write a program on byte streams, first, which class I have taken? Class. Did you remember the class name? Exactly, file input stream. When I'm trying to deal with character streams, which class I have taken? Character streams, file reader. When I'm discussing about buffered streams, buffered input stream. Am I right or wrong? Right? But right now, guys, when I'm dealing with data streams, I am taking new file output stream. Sorry, new data output stream. Sir, why you have taken data output stream? I'll let you know. Very maximum within 2 to 3 minutes, you will be understanding that. Okay. So guys, data output stream will be accepting. Data output stream will be accepting file output stream as a source for its data. Am I right? Right. So just let me try to take new file output stream, and here I need to provide the file path. File path, guys, file path. Okay, so just let me go with like file, just I will be going with file 4. File 4.txt. That file is not present there. You already know that. Guys, file 4 is not present there. Okay. Now, tell me, you know why I'm getting an error, right? You know why I'm getting an error. So right now what I need to do, just throws throws exception exception, okay, equal to data output stream. DOS belongs to data output stream class like this. Okay, so just for understanding purpose, system.out.println CONN connection created, CREATD connection created. Now after this, guys, this is important. This is important. What is the use of data streams? Can you please tell me? What is the use of data streams? Data streams are used to transfer primitive data types. I repeat, data streams are used to transfer primitive data types in a secure manner. Okay. Data streams are used to transfer primitive data types in a secure manner. So right now, what I want to do, I want to write an integer into this file. Please observe the code DOS dot write int. I'm just trying to write 1000, guys. I'm trying to store 1000 into that file. Are you understanding me, guys? I'm writing an integer. Okay, so try to write any other. Okay, DOS dot write boolean. Right now, let me go with like true. Guys, are you understanding me? Please tell me. For example, if I want to store a character, can you please tell me what I need to do? I want to store a character A. Can you please give me the method? Can you please give me the method? DOS dot, give me the method. DOS dot, exactly Mukesh. DOS dot write char, and here I need to provide a character which I want to store. Guys, did you got an idea? Did you got an idea, guys? Like this, I need to use this write method for any of the data types which I want to store. Okay, let me try to store one more integer. DOS dot write int. I'm just trying to store 2000 like this. Okay, system.out.println data WRITTN data written. Am I forgetting anything? Am I forgetting anything? Yes, what I need to do, close. Okay, DOS dot close. Please close the resource. Okay, now just let me try to execute my program. Main method. Now inside my main method, just let me try to create an object. Okay, new class A dot file operations. Now okay, hang on, I'll do one thing. Just let me try to have a reference. Not required. THROWS throws exception throws exception like this. Okay, so guys, please observe, right click, run as Java application. Okay, connection created, data written, and let me see where is my file. File 4 got created. Right. What is happening here, guys? What is the use of data streams? Use of data streams. Data streams are used to transfer primitive data types in a secure manner. Secure manner means you cannot understand that. If you are trying to open the file, you cannot read that. Guys, I hope you're understanding me, right? Yes. Can we read the data? Can we read the data? What is present in that file? No, we cannot. Sir, then how to read the data? Okay, guys, if you want to read the data, then guys, which class we need to use? If we want to read the data, then which class we need to use? Not data reader. Come on, Alpesh. Not data reader. data input stream. Did you understand right now why I have used data output stream first? The reason why I have used data output stream means if I want to use data input stream, there should be data to read. Am I right or wrong, guys? If there is no data in a file, how can I read? That is the reason first I have used data output stream. First, I have written the data into a file. Okay, now let us try to read the data, guys. Data input stream, and here data input stream will be taking file input stream as a source for its data. And here you know that we are supposed to give the file path. Am I supposed to give the same file path, guys? Yes or no? Same file path. Yes, obviously same file path. Okay, I have given the same file path. Okay, here just let me try to equal to data input stream belongs to data input stream class, like this. Like this. Okay, now what I want to do now, I want to read the data. I want to read the data. Okay, so if I want to read the data, just let me try to system.out.println. Here, just a small line. In order to differentiate, guys, I just want to differentiate between data output stream and data input stream. Okay. Now here, again, I'll be trying to write connection created just for understanding purpose. Now, system.out.println, guys, dis.read int. System.out.println dis.read boolean. System.out.println dis. Can you please answer my question? After that, what I need to write? After that, what I need to write? Observe, guys. If you observe the code, you will understand. Just observe the code. See how simple it is. Exactly. Read char. After that, system.out.println, again, I'm trying to read my integer. Now, just SYSO system.out.println, data, RETRIVD, data retrieved. And let me try to close my connection, dis.close. Now, guys, please check the output. Please check the output. Right click, run as Java application. And is this the data which I have entered into the file? 1000, true, A, and 2000. So successfully I have written the data and I have retrieved the data also. Now, guys, here in this data streams, you need to remember one important point. That is, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. Can you tell me what is my output right now? Can you tell me what is my output right now? Give all your outputs in single message. Single message. Please tell me. Single message. Observe, guys. When we are trying to retrieve the data, just see the statements from line number 25 to 28. So same output, guys. Are you expecting the same output? Okay, guys, here some people are expecting the same output and some people are saying no. Okay, guys, please observe. Please observe. Right click, run as Java application. What is this output? Completely irrelevant. What do you say, guys? Completely irrelevant. Why we are getting like this? Guys, in data streams, you need to remember one point. That is, in which order you are entering the data, in the same order you need to retrieve the data. Once again, which order you are entering the data, in the same order you need to retrieve the data. Order is important. For example, what is the order, guys? First, I have entered integer. After that, character. After that, what? What? After that, Boolean. And then again int. So the order is int, char, Boolean, int. You need to retrieve in the same order. Int, instead of character, what I'm doing? I'm trying to retrieving Boolean. So here the order is changed. Are you understanding me, guys? Guys, please tell me. Are you getting me? Order is changed. Okay, we'll do one thing, guys. Let me try to retrieve in the same order. Let us check what happens. Just okay. So I have entered integer, retrieved integer, entered character, retrieved character, entered Boolean, retrieved Boolean, entered integer, retrieved integer. Let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Is this the data which we have entered? Yes. So in data streams, order is important. In which order you are entering the data, in the same order you need to retrieve the data. Sir, what happens if you are forgetting the order? You cannot retrieve it. Guys, data streams here, these are for security purpose, right? You need to remember the order. If you are not remembering the order, you cannot retrieve the data. Gone. 100% remembering the order is mandatory. Okay. Please have this program, guys. Please have this program. Go ahead. Be fast. Krishna, only for primitive data types, Krishna, only for primitive data types. Yes, Parvesh, yes. You can check that in the output, Parvesh. Rupali, I got your question, Dali. Like, if that is your requirement, we need to use line separator. It is actually a concept, line separator. You'll be covering that. Yes. Guys, please be fast. Please be fast. And guys, one more thing. Maybe tomorrow I can give you a break. There is a chance I may give you a break tomorrow. Okay. Is it okay for you? I have a small work. Is it fine for you? I'm not sure. As of now, I'm not sure. Okay. I'll update it in our Google Classroom, guys. So most probably below 6 or 7 o'clock, I'll try to update it. Okay. I'll update it. 100% I'll update it. 90% I'll try to take it. But if there is no chance, then only I'll be giving you a break. I hope you're understanding me. Parvesh, you need to be fast. Please write fast, Parvesh. Please inform if completed. Please inform if completed. Uh, Ravi, I understand. Thanks for that. But I don't know. I can't. I'm not knowing what to say for your message, Ravi. Okay, Ganesh, in line number 27 and 30. Okay, same data, limited data is okay. If you want to write thousands of, see, Ganesh, that is what you are supposed to do that. If you want to write thousands of numbers, you need to remember the order. Pretty much damn sure. If you want to go like that, either you need to remember the order or else you should not be going with this. We are supposed to go for one more mechanism. That would be like encryption. This is, see, data streams are suggestible whenever you are remembering the order only, Ganesh. For example, Ganesh, my thing is, you are having student roll numbers, Ganesh. You want to store student roll numbers, okay? 100 student roll numbers you want to store. All those roll numbers you want to store in a secure manner. Can we use these data streams? Yes, Ganesh? Yes, in that cases, we can use this. Guys, please don't get confused like encryption and this one. Encryption concept is completely different. Encryption means we need to use algorithms like AES, DES, RSA algorithms, SHA, SHA algorithms. A lot of encryption algorithms will be there. Like we are supposed to use some keys also. I mean, whenever you're doing your projects, you'll be seeing that. If you're seeing your projects, like developing the projects, you'll be able to understand that. This is not an encryption, guys. Gaurav, this is not all encryption. Why? Because encryption involves keys. There will be public key, private key. So that is different. This is different. Okay, Gaurav? Yeah, Ganesh, that is good. This is just machine code, Gaurav, that's it. Yeah, of course, I can understand it looks like encryption. I'm not saying no for that, but it is a common myth. People will be thinking that this is encryption, but completely wrong. Encryption means you need to use keys. Algorithms will be there. Yeah, Krishna, yes, in Spring you will be getting that. All right, guys. All right, all right. Is it completed, guys? Is it completed? Please inform me. Tell me, is it done? We cannot. We cannot, Ahmed. We cannot. Right. All right, guys. All right. All right. I hope it's complete for everyone. I'm removing this. Removing. 3, 2, 1. Go. Now, guys, let us try to have an idea about last stream, that is object streams. Guys, how you are feeling? These IO streams are easy or not? I mean, am I success in making them easy for you? Did I succeeded or else did I fail? You tell me. Right. That is very good, guys. That is very good. Right. Guys, please check this. Please check this. Now, let us try to go with object streams. Object streams. Okay. Guys, you need to remember one thing. In Java, there is this popular interview point of view question, that is, what is the difference between serialization and synchronization? Okay. You already know what is synchronization. Synchronization means, I mean, in which concept we'll be using this synchronization, guys? In which concept we'll be using this synchronization? Yes, synchronization, we will be using synchronization in multi-threading. Exactly. Synchronization means if we want only a single thread to act on a resource, and if all other threads will be waiting for the completion of the first thread. In that scenario, we need to use synchronization concept. We can use synchronized keyword. I repeat, we can use synchronized keyword in 2 ways. That is, a method can be synchronized and a block can be synchronized. Of course, a method can be synchronized and a block can be synchronized. Now we are dealing with serialization. Serialization. What do you mean by serialization, guys? Serialization means, are you listening? Are you listening, guys? Serialization means converting a Java class object. Converting a Java class object into network supported format or file supported format. I'm sorry, what? Yes. Yes. I want to, guys, if I want to send a class object to you through mail, can I do that? Can I do that? For example, I'm having this, okay, main method. Now, inside this main method, I'm trying to create this object, new class A. Okay, new class A like this. I want to send this object to you through mail. Can I do that? As of now, you will be saying, no, how can we send, sir? How can we send it an object? I mean, we are not very much clear, right? Guys, we can write this object into a file. We can write that object into a file and I can send this file to you. Am I right or wrong, guys? Guys, how I am writing some data? How I'm writing some data? In the same manner, I'll be trying to write the object into a file and send that file to you. So what is actually serialization, guys? Serialization means it is a process of converting class object into network supported format or file supported format. So guys, in order to achieve that serialization, we should be having an idea about object streams. We should be having an idea about object streams. In object streams, guys, we will be having two implementation classes. Those are object input stream. Second one is object output stream class. Implementation classes, guys, easily you can understand this, guys. I believe you. Implementation classes. Okay. Now, for both these implementation classes, we will be having object for object input stream will accept file input stream as a source for its data, and object output stream will be having file output stream as a source for its data. Like this. Okay. Now, what is the use of these object streams, guys? What is the use of these object streams? First, if we want to understand what is the use of these object streams, we should be having an idea about serialization. Serialization is a process of converting Java class object into network supported format or file supported format. In order to perform this serialization, we need to use object streams. Guys, I hope you got a clear idea here. Serialization, first you should be understanding serialization, guys. Serialization means it is a process of converting a Java class object into network supported format or file supported format. If we want to perform serialization, we need to use object streams. In object streams, we are having two classes: object input stream class, which will be which will be accepting file input stream as a source for its data, and object output stream, which will be accepting file output stream as a source for its data. Guys, what do you say? Shall we perform the serialization? Shall we perform this serialization, guys? Please, I need your help. I need your help. Okay, yeah. We'll do one thing. Let me try to take class B and class C also. Okay. Okay. Class B, class C. First, keep it class C like this. Okay. Class A. This is class A. And this is class B. This is class C. Okay. Now, guys, I'll do one thing. Let me try to take instance variables. Int A equal to 10, some instance variables. Int B equal to 20 like this. Just normal instance variables. That's it, guys. Here also, int X equal to some 1000 and int Y equal to some 2000. Guys, please don't get confused with clone method, okay? That is different. That is different, okay? Now, I want to perform serialization. So guys, you know what is serialization, right? What do you mean by serialization? What do you mean by serialization? Serialization means converting a Java class object into network supported format or file supported format. Okay. Now, guys, main method. Now, inside my main method, let me just try to create an object, guys. New class A, okay, equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. Class A. Exactly, Manoj. Exactly. Now, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. I'll do one thing, guys. I want to perform serialization for this particular object. Means I want to write this object into a file. I want to write this object into a file. What do you suggest? Which class I need to use? Which class I need to use? I want to write that object into a file. Mukesh, that is very good. Ravia, not exactly. Not exactly. Manoj, no. Krishna, that is good. Alpesh, that is good. Guys, you are saying file output stream. But see, file output stream is a source. But before going to file output stream, guys, you need to say that object output stream. Object output stream, guys. Object output stream. Am I right or wrong? Yes? Object output stream. Exactly. Now, let us do here, guys. Let us come. Okay. Now, just let me try to create new object output stream class. Will be accepting file output stream. And here I need to give the file path file path. And just let me try to write throws throws exception. Okay. Now file path. Okay, guys, please observe here. Just let me go with. Please observe here. File path. I'm giving the file name as data dot ser. Data dot ser. Guys, generally up to now, what is the extension which we are using? .txt, right? Currently, we are using .ser. Whenever you are performing serialization, the file should be serializable file, not .txt. You should be giving .ser. Kindly please do remember this, guys. Can you do that for me? Whenever you are performing serialization, you need to give the extension dot .ser, not dot .txt. So here, is that file available here? Is data.ser available here? No, the file is not there. So let us check. Okay, .ser. Now here, okay, let me just try to have a reference. OOS object output stream, okay, like this. Now for our understanding purpose, system.out.println CONNECT connection created. Now just let me try to write the object. Guys, my intention is I want to write the object into the file. Am I right or wrong? Yes, I want to write the object. Okay, OOS dot write object. Which object? AOBJ. That's it. System.out.println SERILIAZAT serialization COMPLETD complete. Wow, this simple, then serialization. But do you know what, guys? If we are executing our program, we should be getting an exception. What? Yep. Are we getting an exception? What is the name of the exception? Not serializable exception. Why? Guys, we are trying to serialize which class, guys? Which class we are trying to serialize? Class A. Come on. Very good, Suma. Very good. Very good. Guys, we are trying to serialize class A. But do you know what, guys? Class A is not serializable. Why we cannot serializable? I mean, why we cannot serialize class A? Why? Because if you want to perform serialization for a class, you need to implement a marker interface. You need to implement a marker interface. Do you know what is the name of the marker interface? Can you guess? Guys, you know what is a marker interface? Marker interface means an interface which is not having any variables or else any methods. You know. I gave you an example like a serializable interface, clonable interface. Did you remember that? Clonable, we already seen that. Did we go through its serializable interface? No. So we need to inherit that marker interface. If we inherit that marker interface, then only we can perform serialization. Serialization completed. Now, please check this. What is the extension, guys? This file is serializable file. If you're trying to open this, this is your object. Now I can send this file, right? Guys, what do you say? Yes or no? I can send this file. Now, sir, but how to retrieve the object? Yes. That is where we need to perform deserialization. System.out.println deserialization started. Deserialization started. Now, guys, if I want to deserialize, can you please help me out? Which class I need to take? Object input stream. Exactly. That is 100% correct. Okay. New object input stream, which will be taking file input stream as a source for its data. And here we need to give the file path. Sorry. Copy it. And we need to give the file path. Same file path I have given. Same file path. Okay. Just let me try to have a reference equal to OIS belongs to object input stream. Now, guys, I want to read it. Okay, just for understanding purpose, system.out.println created. Connection created. Now I want to read. Okay. OIS dot read object. I want to read the object, right? Okay, just let me try to typecast it into class A object. Which object I want to read? Class A object only, right? AOBJ2 belongs to class A. Now, guys, please observe here. System.out.println AOBJ2.A plus AOBJ2.B. What is my expected output here, guys? If I'm reading the correct object, these are instance variables, right? Yes or no? So with the help of that instance, I should be able to get my output here as 10 and 20. Let me check. Right click, run as Java application. 10 and 20. As simple as this. Now, guys, shall we try to perform serialization for class B also? Class B also. First, implements serializable. Implements serializable. After that, create an object. Okay. New class B. I'm creating an object equal to BOBJ belongs to class B. I had created an object. Okay. Now, just let me try to write that object. OIS dot write object BOBJ. I had written that object into the file. Guys, I hope you're understanding me. Are you understanding me, guys? Yes. Yes. Guys, please tell me. Please tell me. You need to respond in the chat, guys. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now, please observe here, guys. Now, I just want to read that object. Okay. OIS dot read object. And here, just let me try to, which object I want to read? Which object I want to read, guys? Class B object. Okay, let me just try to have a reference. BOBJ2 belongs to class A. Class B, like this. Okay, just for our confirmation, system.out.println BOBJ2.x plus, if everything is properly coded, then we should be getting our output as here. What should be getting our output as 1000 and 2000. Let us check. Right click, run as Java application, and we will be getting an exception. Wow. Why? Why we are getting an exception? Rupika, very good. Very good, Rupika. Guys, can you please tell me why we are getting an exception? If you understand data streams correctly, you should be easily able to tell me why we are getting an exception. Yes, yes. Order, guys, order. Guys, first, which object I have written? First, which object I have written into the file? Class A object or class B object? Come on. Hey, Rupali, please check that. Check correctly. Check correctly. First, I have written class B object. But which object I am reading? I am reading class A object first. So, order is important in object streams and data streams. In which order we are entering the data, in the same order we need to retrieve the data. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Guys, please tell me in which order we have entered our objects. In the same order we need to retrieve them. Okay. Now, guys, there is one special keyword is there in Java. That keyword is transient. What is that keyword, guys? Transient. Transient. Transient, guys. Transient keyword. What is the use of this transient keyword? You know, if you don't want your variables to participate in serialization, once again, I repeat, if you, once again, guys, if you don't want your variables which are present in the class to participate in serialization, then make your variables as transient. What transient variables will be doing, you know, like if you are making your variable as transient, then JVM will completely ignore the original value of transient variable. And whenever you are performing serialization, default value of the data type will be stored, not the original value. So right now in class A, I had made my B as transient. Can you tell me what is my expected output here? That is perfect. Perfect. That is perfect, guys. I'm very good. Guys, literally, very nice. Very nice. Right click, run as Java application, 0. Did you got an idea, guys? What is use of transient keyword? If you face this question, what is the use of transient keyword? Transient keyword is used to declare variables as transient. If you are declaring a variable as transient, those variables will not be participating in serialization. And for transient variables, JVM will completely ignore the original value of the transient variables, and only the default value of the data type will be stored. Clear? This is about object streams. Can you please have this program for me, guys? Please. Please. Inform if completed, guys. Please inform if completed. Okay, I think I can go with like this. Both the classes you can write at a time. Both the classes you can write at a time easily. Go ahead. Go ahead. Is it completed, guys? Class A and class B completed for everyone? You need to respond, guys. You need to respond. Okay, I hope it's completed. Class C. Please, class C. Guys, again, I'm saying you cannot take any different extension. 100% your extension should be .ser. Can you please do remember that? Please inform if completed, guys. Okay. Right. Guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. No, Suma, we cannot use. We cannot use. That is only for variables, Suma. Okay. All right. So guys, that's it. I hope it's complete for everyone. Okay. So guys, our next topic will be collections, but I don't want to start collections like this. I want to make collections on completely a fresh day, new day. Is it okay? In the middle, I don't want to start collections. Is it okay, guys, for everyone? So guys, tomorrow, I'm not sure whether I'll be giving a break or not. So before joining the classes, kindly please go through the Google Classroom. Please, can you do that for me? If there is possibility, I'll try to take it, or else I may give a break. Okay, guys. All right, guys. All right, all right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening, guys. We'll be trying to complete. We'll be trying to start a new topic on our Monday's class. Sorry, not Monday. Most probably Friday. Most probably by Friday. Okay. I'll update, guys. I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether tomorrow is holiday. Like I'm having some work, guys. If that work is completed before our class time, I'll try to take my class. If the work is not completed, I may stuck there. So that's the thing. I'm unable to confirm it. I hope you're understanding me. Okay, guys. All right, guys. All right, all right. So that's it, guys. Thank you for listening. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again in our next class. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Good night, guys. Good night.